forum have just been incredible with me. Having that knowledge that whatever I'm doing is making a difference. The forum are my friends now, and I love them to bits. I have got depression, I have social anxiety and borderline personality disorder. I was 15. I was struggling really bad with my mental health, and my mum took me to the doctor. She saw that something wasn't right. All they did was put me on a load of antidepressants and said that there we are, go and get on with it, basically. I just wanted to get away because I thought people were, I thought nobody wants you around. Even if you weren't here anymore, nobody needs you. I felt like, well, why are you even here?